So you've heard about Quicken and you've heard about Empower. And today you're wondering which one is best between these two platforms. Today I'm going to be discussing about these two platforms that helps you to manage your financial aspect efficiently. Now let's go ahead and discuss what Quicken is. Quicken is a personal finance management tool that has been around for decades, right? And it's known for its comprehensive feature sets, which includes budgeting, expense tracking, bill management, and also investment tracking. All right. And Quicken offers both desktop and mobile application with different versions available for Windows and Mac. All right. So the software is designed to, give you as a user detailed control over your finances. And they also have a focus on manual entry and customization. So you as a user, you can link your bank accounts, credit card, and investment accounts to automatically import transactions, categorize expenses, and also generate detailed financial reports. Okay. And when it comes to Empower right here, which is formerly known as Personal Capital, Empower is relatively newer entrant in the personal finance space. Okay. So focusing on investment management and holistic financial planning. So it offers a free financial dashboard that aggregates all financial accounts in one place, right? So they also provide users with a comprehensive views of their financial health. So Empower also, they provide automated investment management services for a fee. Okay, so these two include budgeting, cash flow tracking, retirement planning, and investment analysis. Now the platform emphasizes ease of use, okay, and also automation. So it's kind of make it accessible for users who prefer a hands-off approach to managing their own finance. Okay, so you can see ease of use as ever. Let's talk about the differences between Quicken and Empower. So this way we are able to know exactly which one is best and also which one is not. So I'm going to be talking about over 11 to 12 differences here so that you'll be able to factor well the reasons why one can be better than the other. Now let's go ahead and talk about the first one, which is primary focus. Talking about Quicken right here, the primary focus is on detailed personal finance management, okay, which includes budgeting, bill tracking, and manual transaction entry. While when it comes to Empower right here, they emphasize investment management and financial planning, and also providing automated tools and services for investment tracking and retirement plan. So the best in this aspect of primary focus depends on your need as a user. So as you know, that Quickens is for detailed budget management, while Empower is for investment oversight. All right. Talking about the other difference is the user interface. When it comes to Empower right here, they have modern intuitive interface with a focus of, on ease of use. Okay. And, on automation, which kind of make it user friendly for all experience levels. Okay. And when it comes to Quicken, the interface can feel dated and complex. Okay, especially if you're a new user, so it kind of requires more manual input and customization. So when it comes to the aspect of user interface, I'm gonna go with Empower because it has ease of use and modern design. Okay, their interface is user friendly the more. All right, talking about automation, Quicken right here, it requires more manual input, okay, and for categorizing transactions and setting up budgets. So it offers some automation, but it is largely kind of manual, okay. But when it comes to Empower, they are highly automated with automatic transaction syncing and categorization, as well as automatic investment tracking and analysis. So when it comes to the aspect of automation, Empower is still the best because it has higher level of automation. Okay. Now talking about investment tracking, Quicken right here, they provide detailed investment tracking and reporting tools, which is suitable for users who want to manage investments manually. Okay. But when it comes to Empower, they offer robust investment tracking. Okay. And they have real-time performance monitoring and professional advisory services. Okay, so the best right here is still Empower because they have advanced investment tracking and advisory services. Okay, talking about budgeting tools, which is another point I have here, Quicken offers comprehensive budgeting tools including custom categories, rollovers, and detailed spending reports. Okay, but when it comes to Empower, they provide basic budgeting tools integrated within the financial dashboard, so which they focus more on overall cash flow than detailed budgeting. So the best here in this aspect of budgeting tools is Quicken because it has extensive budgeting capabilities. All right. And another one which we're going to talk here is bill management. Quicken allows users to track bills, okay, also set reminders and view all upcoming payments in one place. Okay. But when it comes to Empower does not offer detailed or dedicated bill management features. So in this aspect of bill management, I'm gonna go with Quicken because it has a bill management functionality. Okay, and let's talk about retirement planning. With Quicken, they include basic retirement planning tools, allowing users for projects retirement savings based on your financial data. Okay, based on users' financial data. But when it comes to Empower, they offer comprehensive, detailed retirement planning tools, including a retirement planner, okay, that provides detailed projection and also scenarios. So in this aspect of retirement planning, Empower is still the best because it has detailed retirement planning tools. Okay, now let's talk about mobile app functionality. Quicken, they provide mobile apps, okay, for on the go access, okay, on the go access, but the functionality can be limited compared to the desktop version. Okay, but when it comes to the Empower has robust mobile app with nearly full functionality of the web platform. Okay, so this allows users to manage their finances from anywhere. So when it still comes to the aspect of mobile app functionality, Empower is still the best because they have synonymous functionality like that of the web application, okay, the web platform. So it has full feature. Now let's talk about the number 9 point here, which is financial reporting. So when it comes to Empower, they offer basic financial reports integrated with the dashboard with a focus on investment performance and net worth. But Quicken right here, they have extensive reporting capabilities, which allows users to generate detailed reports on spending, income, investment, and many more. All right. So the best in this aspect is still Quicken to me because its comprehensive reporting feature is superb. All right. Number 10 here is the customer support. So Quicken offers customer support via phone, chat and community forums. Support can be hit or miss based on user experience. Okay, since some users complain, it can be hit, it can be missed. So whichever one. What Empower right here, they provide customer support via email and phone, and they also go ahead and provide additional support for investment clients. Okay, so you can see investment account, they have additional support for investment clients. So in this aspect, I'm still going to go with Empower because of its responsive support, especially for investment clients. Okay, so now talking about cost also, Quicken requires a subscription. Okay, they require a subscription fee with different pricing tiers based on the features required. So you can see right here. Okay, but when it comes to Empower, the financial dashboard is free. Okay, so investment management services comes with a fee though, all right, based on the assets under management. All right, so but this aspect depends. Okay, the best in this aspect of course depends because Quicken is for those needing detailed personal finance tools, while Empower is mainly for those focused on investment. So it depends right here. All right. And talking about data security, Empower right here, they employ strong encryption and security measures, okay, with data stored secretly in the cloud. While Quicken, they use standard encryption and security practices, okay, but the data is often stored locally unless cloud sync is enabled. So possibly right here, I'm still gonna go with Empower in the aspect of data security, okay, for its robust cloud-based security. All right. Talking about integration with financial institutions, well, Quicken supports a wide range of banks and financial institutions, but sometimes they experience issues with syncing. Okay, so when it comes to Empower right here, they have excellent integration with financial institutions and also provide seamless syncing and aggregation of financial data. So the best in this aspect of integration with financial institution to me is to Empower for its reliable and comprehensive integration. Talk about ease of usage. Quicken, the setup, okay, can be time consuming, okay, requires manual entry, just like I said, and customization of accounts and categories. But Empower right here, they are quick and easy setup with automatic account linking and data aggregation. Okay, so the best to me right here is the Empower because of its quick and straightforward setup process. And the last point I have here, which is the 15th point, is the user community and resources. So when it comes to Empower, they offer a wealth of educational resources, okay, and tools, okay, with focus on financial planning and investment education. Okay, While Quicken right there, they has a large active user community and extensive online resources, including forums and tutorials. So the best tier depends, but I'll still go with the Empower because it has high quality educational resources and tools. In conclusion, if I'm to say which one did I like best, I'm gonna go with Empower, as you know, because the first one is the user friendly interface, because Empower as modern and intuitive interface that makes it easier for users to manage finances without the steep learning curve associated with Quicken. Okay, and when this comes to automation, also the high level of automation in Empower, from transaction syncing to investment tracking, it saves a lot of users time and reduces the need for manual inputs. Okay, another one is the investment focus, because with Empower they offer robust investment tracking and advisory services, and also provide superior tools for users who focus on growing and managing their investments. Mobile app functionality is the reason I also like Empower, because not all the time are you going to be on your laptop or desktop. So Empower allows mobile app full functionality, which allows users to manage their finances seamlessly from any device. And Empower has a very good security, okay, cloud-based data security and reliable integration with financial institutions, which ensures that user data is safe and up to date. So Empower stands out for me, okay, or a user who wants a comprehensive automated solution that excels in investment management, okay, and financial planning. So this kind of makes it the preferred choice for a modern hands-off approach to personal finance. However, maybe you prefer Quicken than Empower, then you can let us know in the comment box. I've talked about the reason why I prefer Empower. You can let us know in the comment box. I'm certain other people are also going to learn from you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Possibly it helps other people out there to make the best decision just like this. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.